Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to pin drives to the taskbar on Windows 10. Open File Explorer, this PC, C drive. Right-click C drive, create shortcut. Click Yes to create shortcut on desktop. Right-click shortcut, click Properties. Type Explorer in front of drive letter. Click Apply, OK. Right-click, click Properties. Click Change icon. Click Browse. Select System32 folder. Type imager.es.dll. Click Open. Select your favorite icon. Click OK. Click Apply, OK. Rename the shortcut. Simply drag the shortcut to taskbar. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.